In this question, we have to find the order of the reaction and the rate constant. The reaction is 2A reacts with B to form C and D. The general rate law is rate equals K multiplied by concentration of A raised to the power alpha multiplied by concentration of B raised to the power beta. Our aim is to find alpha, beta, total order, and the value of K. Step 1. Finding the value of alpha. Compare experiment 1 and experiment 4. In both experiments, the concentration of B is constant, which is 0.1. Since concentration of B is constant, the change in rate is only due to the change in concentration of A. The concentration of A changes from 0.1 to 0.4. This means A becomes 4 times. Now observe the rate. The rate changes from 6 into 10 power minus 3 to 2.40 into 10 power minus 2. This is also 4 times increase. When concentration becomes 4 times and rate also becomes 4 times, it means rate is directly proportional to A, so alpha is equal to 1. Step 2. Finding the value of beta. Now compare experiment 2 and experiment 3. In both experiments, the concentration of A is constant, which is 0.3. Since concentration of A is constant, the change in rate is only due to the change in concentration of B. The concentration of B changes from 0.2 to 0.4. This means B becomes 2 times. Now observe the rate. The rate changes from 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 to 2.88 into 10 power minus 2. This is 4 times increase. So, 2 raised to the power beta equals 4. We know that 4 can be written as 2 square. Therefore, beta is equal to 2. Step 3. Finding the total order. Total order is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha is 1 and beta is 2. So, total order of the reaction is 3. Step 4. Finding the rate constant K. Use the values of experiment 1. Rate is 6 into 10 power minus 3. Concentration of A is 0.1. Concentration of B is 0.1. Substitute in the rate law. 6 into 10 power minus 3 equals K multiplied by 0.1 raised to power 1 multiplied by 0.1 raised to power 2. 0.1 raised to power 1 is 0.1. 0.1 raised to power 2 is 0.01. Multiply them. The result is 0.001. So, 6 into 10 power minus 3 equals K multiplied by 0.001. Now divide both sides. K is equal to 6. Step 5. Writing the unit of K. Since the total order of the reaction is 3, the unit of K is liter square square. Final answer alpha is 1. Beta is 2. Total order is 3. Rate constant K is equal to 6. Liter square per mole square per minute. Because total order of reaction equals 3. Rate unit equals mole per liter per minute. For third order reaction,